Hi friends! I'm excited I get to read another story with you today. Since so many of our friends really like big trucks and construction vehicles, I thought I'd read this book today. It's called Mighty, Mighty Construction Site, and it's by Sherry Dusky Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. It's pretty exciting. Should we see what these construction trucks are up to today? Okay. The Mighty, Mighty Construction Site. Down in the big construction site, 5 trucks wake to morning light. It's time to stretch, roll out of bed, and gear up for the day ahead. They wipe their faces, greet the sun, load up, fuel up, rev up, and run. They're eager to get things underway. There's a brand new job to start today. The plan is unrolled. They stare in awe. It's the biggest thing they ever saw. A massive building, so immense. This giant job will be intense. It's a lot for them to do. Too much for just a 5-truck crew? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5. Cement Mixer is thinking fast. He gives his horn a blaring blast. Honk! Let's see what happens. Mighty trucks all hear the call. They start up in no time at all. Out on the road, they drive full steam. They rush right in to join the team. Rolling, rumbling, revving hard, 10 big trucks meet in the yard. A mighty, massive super crew. There is nothing they can't do. It's good to have help when you have a big project, huh? Skid steers nimble, small and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. Bulldozer's heavy, wide and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land, but even he can use a hand. Skid's breaker bit blasts rocks to rubble. So Dozer rolls through without trouble. 2 friends at work, one big, one small. They clear the way, they move it all. I like how they work together to get the job done. Sorry, I may have skipped a page. Nope, we're good to go. Each long trench is marked and planned. An excavator digs the land. Then backhoe grabs a drainage pipe and sets it down in one smooth swipe. Turn and dig, then lift and drop, then push some dirt right back on top. They set each pipe and then repeat. This duo doesn't miss a beat. They're working together to help each other too. Pulling up with all his might, crane truck lifts a beam to height. And then he spins his hook around, but just before it touches ground, crane truck gasps out in surprise. He's used up all of his supplies. The pipes? No more pipes. Lumber? No more lumber. Beams? No more beams. But what's this coming down the road? Could it be another load? Mighty flatbed revs and runs, smoothly hauling 50 tons down the road and over hills, her load strapped tight so nothing spills. On site, she rolls right to a stop with crane supplies all stacked on top. Flatbed trucks just saved the day. Their work can get back underway. Front end loader and dump truck pair to move great loads from here to there. Digging, lifting, hauling ground, giant piles are moved around. Loader digs and scoops his fill, then tilts it up, so there's no spill. His bucket raises to the max, then beep, 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 as loader backs. Dirt and gravel hauled away, these pals move mountains every day. They work together to get the job done too. Lots of helpful friends in this story. Cement Mixer is working hard around the whole construction yard. Load after load, he churns and pours, makes foundations, roads, and floors. But now the concrete needs to climb. And here is Pumper, right on time. Pumper's boom unfolds, goes high, reaching up toward the sky. Fill the hopper, flip the switch, and zoom, concrete's pushed into the boom. Up through the pipe, it does not stop. Then concrete comes out way up top. turn and pour and lift and fill, this team works hard with speed and skill. Rough and rugged all day long, rolling, lifting, digging strong, each truck has had a part to play to help the work get done today. Just like the plan, the job's complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast and fun. Cooperation is a big word. Do you know what that word means? I think it means cooperation is when you work together with other people to get the job done, kind of like these trucks did. That would make sense. Teamwork made it fast and fun. Let's see. The new crew leaves, but on their way, crane truck waves, great work today. The crew drives off their engines loud, feeling tired, but strong and proud. It's getting dark, the sun has set, the trucks are as tired as they can get. They roll to find their cozy beds to cuddle up and rest their heads, to close their eyes and drift away. New adventures wait, another day. Construction site all tucked in tight. Great work today. Now, shh, good night. See you next time, friends.